Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following error notification while I try to comment my Facebook friends post, and it shows you cannot comment right now. To prevent any misuse, we limit how often you can do certain things on Facebook. It looks like you hit one of our limits. So what is the meaning of this issue? And this message is only occurring if you continuously post the comments to your friends post, like hate speech or promotional links. So at that time, this Facebook team will block your all comments. So what is the solution for this issue? And the one and only way is you can report this problem to Facebook team. So how to do it? So first of all, take a screenshot of this issue and then go to your Facebook newsfeed section. So now in this homepage section, you can press this horizontal 3 lines icon. So and then scroll down and then press this help and support arrow mark, and I get the one option called report a problem. So just press this option. So one more time you can press report problem, and it asks for the problem category. So here you can locate profile. So here you can write anything about that issue. So once you write it and then press camera roll. So now you can upload that issue screenshot image and then check it, all the things are correct. So finally you can click to send this message. So once you send this message, you can wait for your 24 hours for reply message from Facebook team. So I hope this Facebook team will fix your comment issue. So anyway, for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.